This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Chock the left-hand rear wheel. Using the anti-theft nut adapter where necessary, slacken the driver's side road wheel nuts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the sill. Raise the front of the vehicle until the right-hand wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the chassis. Fully unscrew the nuts and remove the road wheel. Prise the pad retaining clip from the caliper. Remove the plastic covers, then using a 7mm Allen key or bit, unscrew and remove the caliper guide pin bolts. Withdraw the caliper, complete with brake pads. Unclip the outer pad from the caliper, then pull the inner brake pad from the piston. Using brake cleaner and a soft brush, remove loose dust and dirt from the caliper. Suspend the caliper using wire to prevent straining the rubber brake hose. Scrape any corrosion from the edge of the disc. Measure the thickness of the pad friction material. If it's less than 1.5mm, renew all 4 pads. If new pads are to be fitted, apply a clamp to the rubber brake hose, then remove the cap from the bleed nipple. Connect a bleeding kit, then open the nipple and use a retraction tool to push the piston fully into the caliper. When the piston is fully retracted, close the nipple and disconnect the kit. Remove the retraction tool, refit the rubber cap, and remove the hose clamp. Again, suspend the caliper to prevent straining the hose. Apply a thin smear of high-temperature grease to the inner brake pad clip where it contacts the caliper piston, and where the pad backing plate contacts the caliper mounting bracket. Press the inner pad clip into the piston. Slide the outer pad over the caliper ears. Fold back the pad retaining clip and manoeuvre the caliper and pads into place. Insert the guide pin bolts and tighten them to the specified torque. Refit the plastic covers. Use a screwdriver to lever the pad retaining clip into place. Check that the caliper is free to slide on the pin bolts. Depress the brake pedal a few times to bring the pads into contact with the disc. Check the brake fluid level in the reservoir. Locate the road wheel over the studs, then fit, and lightly tighten the retaining nuts. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the road wheel nuts to the specified torque. Remove the wheel chocks.